Hey, this is Braden, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. This is a great opportunity for you guys to own a 227 XTS NauticStar. This is a brand new 22, very rare to find, new inventory. Great boat for the flats, bay fishing, and even going offshore. It is powered by a 150 Yamaha. Let's hop aboard and see what she's got. All right, guys, we're here aboard on this 227 NauticStar. As I was saying before, perfect fishing boat for the bay. You can even go offshore. It's got a great stepped hull, nice transom seating. You do have a live well here in the transom. These do fold down for a nice casting platform. All right, guys, as you can see, with this leaning post, you've got a nice upgraded flip-up bolster, very comfortable seating, rocket launchers, both on the leaning post and the T-top. So at the helm here, guys, tilt steering wheel. You're gonna have your electronic Yamaha 4-inch digital monitor there, Infinity sound system. This does have the Lenco LED readout trim tabs, which are great. You know exactly where your tabs are at all times. Moving forward, you've got rod lockers on both sides, insulated boxes. This is pre-rigged for your trolling motor, and nice pedestal seat. You do have seating in front of the console, again with another live well. Come see us, Panama City Beach, MarineMax. My name is Braden. Appreciate your time. Hope to see you soon.